In 1991, Paul and myself set up MicroPro Computers in Dublin. It was a small computer business where we designed and manufactured our own range of MicroPro computers. We made up these computers with individual components that were totally updatable, upgradable, reusable and recyclable. And for that reason, we had long life computers. And we used this as our niche in the marketplace. But we were continually redesigning the products, and a few years after that we developed the iAmico V3, which was an all-in-one touchscreen computer. But most important, the iAmico V3 was awarded the world's first European Ecolabel for integrated desktop computers. We also then progressed on into the Zero Wind project, where we were invited to be a partner and to move things even further along. So with that, we developed the iAmico D4R laptop.
The iAmico D4R laptop is a laptop designed by iAmico on behalf of Zero Wind, sponsored by the 7 framework. It's a laptop designed that can use all reused components. The shell of the computer is made from recycled wooden pallets and offcuts from the furniture industry. The design of the computer is designed to last between 7 and 10 years via upgradable, updatable, reusable components. So at the end of 3 or 4 years, when the computer is no longer fast, we can replace the processor with the latest and greatest Intel processor. Same with the memory, we can add on more memory and increase the size of the hard drive. So the whole theme with the computer is that it's long life, it's updatable, upgradable, reusable, recyclable, and also at the very end of its life it has a second use rather than going straight to recycling. It can be used because there's serial ports in it, it can be used as a cash register, it can be used also for a picture frame, and because it's a piece of furniture, people like it, people tend to hang on to it.
There are a number of environmental issues that are actually covered by the D4R. I'd say the main one is climate change, and there's 2 issues in climate change really. One is the reduction of energy, and the other one is the reduction of greenhouse gas. We address the reduction of energy not only by reducing the energy in use, we address it also by reducing the energy taken to produce the computer. Because we're using renewable materials on the one hand, but we're also reducing the energy needed to produce components by reusing components that are still usable. There's another important environmental function to the D4R, benefit from the D4R, and that is the reduction of waste. Electronic waste is one of the biggest environmental problems because of the speed at which people buy and dispose of electronic goods. It's one of the fastest growing streams of waste, and something like 12.5% of the electronic equipment put out is actually recovered as recyclable waste. So the rest is actually being lost. So really, we are trying to eliminate waste by extending the life of the computer, aiming really to reduce that burden of hazardous and dangerous waste.